Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you some Android volume button secret tricks. So first of all, if you just typing anything you want, and after typing, you can just use your volume button to go back. You can go forward, you can go backward, like this, by just using your volume button. There are other buttons that you can use in Android, just like go to your phone settings, scroll and go to your additional settings. Now here you can see the second option, button shortcuts. Just click on it. Now you can choose any of this option, just like turn on touch, and just selecting any of this option it will work. Just like long press home button, long press the power button, and the torch will on. You can use any of this option, just like this torch, just like launch Google Assistant. You can use long press home button, long press menu button, long press back button, any of these. So guys, that's the tricks of Android buttons. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.